Welcome back once again to howtocookredfood.com, and welcome back to another pizza build. So if you're not familiar with this series, what we're doing today is building the pizza. We're not going to be making the dough or the pizza sauce. We're going to have that ready. Link below for both of them, and both the videos will pop up at the end. What we're going to do today is a spicy mushroom pizza. Let's get that dough together. Okay, so you saw me just get that together. Now if you follow my recipe, you're going to get two of these, two 12 inches out of it. Let's get some sauce on there. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons I find perfect for this. And again, this no cook, super easy pasta sauce is in the link below, and the video will pop up at the end. So, let's get some cheese on here. Today I'm going to be using the block type mozzarella. You can use grated if you want, of course. I think that's about right. Okay, let's get some bits on it. Okay, so we're going to keep this a bit spicy. The first thing I want to do is get a little bit of chili powder on there, or cayenne pepper. As much or as little as you like. I'm also now going to put a little bit of chopped garlic. I love that on there. Some chopped onion, using a red, cut nice and small. Some olives, just using some black olives here. Put some green on it if you like. Now get your oven on full blast. It needs to be on really, really high heat now. Some grated Parmesan cheese. Little bit of tomato, chopped, fresh tomato. Then mushrooms, which I've cut nice and small. Just spread them out there. Little bit of pickled jalapeno. Again, I'm going red, you could be going green if you want. Some dried oregano, or oregano, whatever you call that. And then that's going to go into my oven for about 6 minutes on maximum heat. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, and there you go, steaming hot, just out of the oven. That was 6 minutes for me. That is a winner. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Pizza love.